Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. DVSA has finally responded as to when we can start our driving tests and theory tests. So let's go through it on their site. So this is a driving site, coronavirus driving test. Unfortunately, last updated was 5th of January, so they haven't updated their site up, but on the Twitter feed, let's go through what they've said about Boris Johnson's announcement. So here we go. In line with the government roadmap announcement, driving and theory tests will resume no earlier than 12th of April. So all tests before the 12th of April, driving and theory will be cancelled. DVSA is working closely with the government and will provide more information as soon as we're able to do so with other tests, lessons and training. So this is the main thing as well. When can we take our driving lessons if tests are open on the 12th of April? Unfortunately, they haven't as of yet given a date. So if we just scroll down and let's read this tweet here. Okay. In line with the government roadmap announcement, driving and theory tests will resume no earlier than the 12th of April in England actually, sorry. Let's clarify that in England. We will provide information about driving and riding lessons and other tests, including vocational motorcycle tests, can resume as soon as we can, but this has not yet been confirmed. And we are also working with the Welsh and Scottish government on resuming tests and lessons, and we will provide more information on this when we can. So I'm just double checking. So driving theory test. So here it's saying it's in England, and here it's saying we're going to work with the Welsh and Scottish government on resuming tests and lessons. I think maybe in Scotland and Wales it hasn't been opened up yet. I don't want to really give a confirmed answer because it's slightly baffling here. So as I said, in England definitely all tests before the 12th of April are cancelled, and they are going to work on a date where we can take our driving lessons, I'm assuming, before those students who's got a test on the, say, 13th of April, or maybe even the 12th. It might include the 12th. So say, for example, on the 12th of April, you got a driving test, but how are you going to prepare for it if you got a driving test? So they're going to have to open up lessons a week or so earlier. That's what I'm assuming. But obviously, they're going to get back to us. And when they do, I'm going to notify you guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe with FM Driving School. Click the notification button so you're up to date with us. Okay. I do want to clarify this point here, the Welsh and Scottish thing, but they haven't really given us much to work with. So from the little I can see is it's in England, and Wales and Scotland it might not be opened up. That's from what I can read from it. But when we get a bit more confirmation, I'll let you guys know. Thank you for watching.